Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was playing around. This is part two of this palm tree, and I'd seen a really neat logo one time that was kind of like this. I think they actually did it a little bit of on an angle, um, but regardless, it would look cool. Thought I'd just kind of, I was just playing while that other video was loading. I'm going to make a 2-point line, and I'm going to put it to the bottom of the ellipse. I'm going to make another one. I hit the plus key on the keyboard. I'm going to select the other one also, so now I have two selected objects. I am going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend them 5 times. Doesn't really matter what you do or how many times. I don't think you could probably do too many. I'm just going to get the smart fill. I'm just going to fill it with yellow, and I'm just going to nudge it out of the way. Now I can delete all this, and I can take this and I can left click, right click. And this is what I have, but each one of these is individual. So now we can do this effect. I can grab that top one and I can go to Windows Dockers corners, and I put it on 0.09 and hit apply. And you could do as little or as much as you want. What it's doing is doing all the corners and not making, almost like the sun would be showing through it. For some reason, that one didn't take on the very bottom. Maybe it'll take, let me back up here. Maybe that other one got in the way of it. Let's take this one and do it first. Now do this one. Nope, it's just not going to do that corner. Well, it matches the top. Now you could just use colors, and I'm actually going to show you how you could use these colors. I need to go to Object and break them apart, ungroup them. And I am just going to get the color eyedropper tool, and I'm going to take a sample of that and put it there. I know there's another way. I got to hit the pick tool to get back to the eyedropper. I should have actually done that before I did this video. There's actually a button you can hit. I just hit the shift, the space bar. Yep, space bar is working. Space bar takes it out of that eyedropper mode. There might be another one. I'll have to look up that video. But we're going to put a little bit of blue now. And you could have just, I could have smart filled these. Now I would take it all and left click no fill. I'd go ahead and group it together, because that way it'll all be on one layer. And now you can bring your palm trees in. Of course, they're in the back, so we need to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. And of course, you'd want them in the sand of the island, so you'd want to just make sure of that, and you could actually make them a little bit bigger. Pretty cool effect. I would maybe pick another yellow for that, and let's go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And what we could do is take this one, holding down the control button, we can add a little white to it, make it a little bit more dim of a yellow, and doesn't look too bad. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.